What is missing in life is reliable books to study while it's quarantine. Jenny, thank you so much, Jenny. If I can help you with this, if there are any ebooks I can share that you want in particular, you can write to Raja sir or to me. I will be sharing my email address. Now, what I want you to do, yes, is ask yourself questions. What is missing in my life right now? Okay, question number one. What is missing in my life right now? Please don't write about missing your friends and missing your partners. I'm not going to be able to help you. We are looking more at life scholastically and co-scholastically, not in terms of personal strength. Okay. What trait needs improvement? Which aspect of my life needs improvement? That is question number two. Yes. Now, question number three. What stresses me out? What stresses me out? Yes. And what isn't going well in my life right now? So ask yourself questions like this. What is missing in my life right now? This will tell you, some insights. What needs improvement? What stresses me out? And what isn't going well in my life right now? Fantastic, Kiran. Saurabh, what is missing in my life? Constant motivation to keep going with academics or passion. Kiran, you're not alone in this. We are a whole population is facing this, but definitely we'll take you through this. Very good. So are you understanding this? You are able to identify that constant motivation is missing. Yes, you're not able to meet your teachers. You are not able to meet your mentors. This man being a social animal, yes, this interpersonal interaction is not happening. Self-satisfaction, even after achievement. I feel I am not fully satisfied. Ritika, very well said. So I know what is missing in life. What is missing in life is reliable books to study while it's quarantine. Jenny, thank you so much, Jenny. If I can help you with this, if there are any ebooks I can share that you want in particular, you can write to Raja sir or to me. I will be sharing my email address. Yes. So, Ayushi, yes, Ayushi, what's your question? Self-motivation, very good. And I want to literally work upon that. I would like to improve my behavior of procrastinating things. Wonderful, wonderful. That is such an amazing way of, asking yourself what I want to do and then actually being able to identify. Now, give yourself a pat on the back, because what I think is very important is that you were able to identify that what is missing, and therefore you want to work hard to better it. Don't you think so? That our main problem that exists is that we don't know what is missing in our life, and that is why we don't know. So many of you have said that self motivation is missing. Fine, it's missing. So let's see how we can activate that. How we can activate that. And of course, many other things. So I'm not talking in person, but I'm using general examples here. So when you ask yourself questions of what is missing in my life, what needs improvement, what stresses me out, believe me, what you have done is you have identified listening to music stresses me out. That's very okay. Okay. So stresses you out, meaning it removes the stress out, right? It helps you better your day. Correct, Divya, if I'm not wrong? Okay. What stresses you out, I meant that, for example, work pressure. In the times of the pandemic, I can tell you there are so many of the teachers fraternity who are really stressed about, will the lecture go well? Will the internet sustain for so much time? Will my slide share work out very well? Has my slide deck turned out to be well made, and things like that? So what stresses me out? I have been able to identify that these are things that I am not fully geared to handle. Now, in this, there are some parameters which are within my control and some parameters which are out of my control. Yes, what needs improvement? The fact that we need to self-explore our skills and set up our goals for a future-oriented objective, thereby working on it. Very good, Kiran. Thank you so much for that input. And that's exactly what is called as self-motivation. So I hope at the end of my today talk, I have generated an ambient environment for you to think, to ask questions, to seek answers of how to fill this gap. Yes, and be better people. I need to improve my achievement, motivation, controlling the condition, dedication towards my aim, cooking, and also I think study. Yes. As you can see from the answers, we can all see to each other because the chat is in the open forum. We can all see that there are certain things which are therapeutic. Yes, certain things which are therapeutic. I think somebody has mentioned here cooking. So for some people, cooking is therapeutic. For some people, okay, multitasking stresses you out. What isn't going well in my life right now? Everything. Okay, Shweta. So we will be definitely trying to help you out. Now, the whole purpose of this exercise was, Raja sir must be wondering what's happening, was to understand that where is it that you want to go, but are you really prepared? Are you really prepared? Because there are so many things that are missing right now. There are so many things that need improvement. There are so many things that are stressing you out. And there are so many things in your life which are not going correct right now. Now, with this kind of baggage, are you going to be able to achieve what you are aiming at? Will you be able to, reach your goal? And I'm sure the answer is no. The answer is no. If you have to reach somewhere, yes, then you have to say, my life is bountiful of the following. I am well equipped to handle language, vocabulary, and content. Even if the internet fails at this moment, please don't worry, I will join using my mobile phone. So I have kept a plan B ready, I have kept a plan C ready, and even if my slide deck fails, I have read through my slides that even without the slide deck, I will still be able to navigate through my talk. Okay. So we're trying to identify parameters of how to be well prepared if I have to reach somewhere. So my first set of questions, if you remember, was, that what is it that you really want in your life? Then I asked you actually by these questions subtly how prepared you are. But if you're getting stressed, if there is a lot of room for improvement, if there are a lot of things that are missing, if there are a lot of things that are not going well for you, do you think you're really well prepared to go ahead? Answer is no. Okay. Now, so I want you to choose, words that resonate with you. So list down words that resonate with you. What is resonate? You think of those and they make you feel good. So they're resonating with the feeling, they're resonating with your present frame of mind, and so on. Choose one that you know in your heart you really want to have. So I can say for many people, it's going to be self motivation. Go through each word on your list and ask yourself, why is this word a good choice for me? Yes, why this particular word is a good choice for me. Okay, and how will your life be shaped by this concept? So if I say that I'm content with where I am, I'm equipping myself by reading every day. Yes. So the word for me would be that I'm self-motivated. Yes. So I know where I'm going. I'm equipping myself every day by empowering myself, enhancing my skill set, and therefore I feel strong to go there. Yes, I feel strong to reach my goal or to achieve my goal. And also ensure, yes, that yes, choose a word that is relevant to more than one aspect of your life. Yes, let it represent more than one aspect of your life. Let it not just represent just one aspect. Let it represent a large number of, like for example, if I say, I spoke from work to relationships, correct? So if I say on the work front, I'm very happy because we don't have any stress. We define our targets very well. And through the week, we are guided by a very wonderful team, which ensures that we do not end up getting stressed for the work. Okay, we work very amicably. We act as facilitators for each other, and that is how we work. Okay, so that is what I wanted to raise the point here. That try and select a word here which is appropriate for you and which depicts more than one aspect of your life. So I will be sharing a few adjectives with you, but you are free to look for a word which can describe your present state of mind. Okay, and which will tell you that where you are presently placed. And I think I did that exercise of those questions for you to understand that where, you need to ask yourself these questions. The goal is not going to happen out of the blue. Yes, you have to set a target and you have to equip yourself to reach and achieve that particular target. Okay.